So today we are going to, take a look at something that happened during the Mining and Minerals Convention 2025, which I think was very significant, but it went quietly and nobody talked about it. So it's a deal that went on, it's a $1 billion deal that went on between the Ghana GoldBod and a company from Dubai, which is called the Goldstream Global DMCC. So on the 22nd of August 2025, the Ghana GoldBod signed this memorandum of understanding, an MoU, with Goldstream Global DMCC for a potential investment of up to $1 billion to develop over 300 responsible mining, sites in Ghana. This investment is supposed to be formalized into a commercial agreement this November. Yes, that's why I felt it is very important for us to look at it today. So this November is when this, commercial agreement is supposed to, take off. It is part of a broader initiative to increase gold production through sustainable practices and also, create jobs. Now, the purpose of this investment is to establish and develop over 300 mining sites and 300 mining operations in mineral-rich areas across the whole country, and it is in collaboration with the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources. Now, let's take a listen to Sami Jamfi as he made this announcement on the 22nd of August.
On 22nd August 2025, the GoldBod signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Goldstream Global DMCC. This MoU would eventually transform into a commercial agreement by November 2025 for the investment of up to $1 billion United States dollars in establishing over 300 responsible mines in blocked out mineralized areas and in partnership with concession owners. Under this program, the GoldBod will be collaborating with the Ministry of Lands and Natural Resources and its allied agencies like the Minerals Commission to develop minerals areas, as well as partner with concession owners and communities to maximize Ghana's gold output through sustainable mining. As I've already indicated, this crucial mining support program will increase national gold output.
Get a better understanding of what this type of deal actually means. So let's dive deeper. So in preparation for this deal, the Ghana GoldBod has teamed up with the Minerals Commission to release 10 blocks of rich sites for these partnerships. 10 blocks means they have specifically searched for 10 areas across Ghana that surely has a lot of gold in them for this particular deal. Now follow me on this. When you take a loan from a financier to fund your mineral project or to buy gold, for you, remember that you forfeit the opportunity to sell the gold to them at international prices. You can't do that anymore because once they give you money to mine or to buy gold, you agree in principle that they are going to buy the gold at a significantly lower price than the international price, sometimes 25% less than what you will get on the world market. Now, Ghana GoldBod has generated over $8 billion in revenue from gold exports between January and mid-October 2025. We don't know the numbers for November yet. And it's a significant increase from previous years due to improved regulations. In comparison, we did about 4.61 billion in 2024 and then 2.19 billion in 2023. So it means the GoldBod has really increased the output of gold within the last 8 months. So this raises two important questions with this particular deal that they have signed with Goldstream DMCC. So the one question that I want to ask is, couldn't we have invested $1 billion of the $8 billion that we made in the last 8 months for this project? At this point, why do we even need money from Dubai when we can sell our gold at the highest to the highest bidder whenever we are ready? Remember that gold is not a commodity that you need to beg people to buy. No matter the quantity, when you take it to the market, somebody is always ready to buy the gold. So it's not like we are searching for buyers like other commodities. Now the second question is, Why can't we invest some of this money into establishing one large-scale mining company in Ghana? If the Minerals Commission can give 10 rich gold mining sites or gold mining blocks to a foreign entity, what is stopping the government from investing that same amount, into a mining company? Recently, the president's brother, Ibrahim Mahama of Engineers and Planners, secured a $100 million gold acquisition deal, making it a very rare stance where a wholly Ghanaian company is taking control of a large-scale mining. So on average, you need about 100 million up to 2 or maybe 300 million to set up a mine, which can be 100% owned by the government or Ghanaians. And we are going to get the full benefits. So remember, Ibrahim Mahama acquired this gold from, a company that had Australian interest. It raises another question, third question. Why couldn't we have chosen Ghanaians and given them this money, this $1 billion, to establish at least 10 large-scale mining companies instead of looking for somebody from Dubai who is going to give us money and then they are going to buy it at 25% less, when we could give that money to Ghanaian miners and then we get the full benefits of the proceeds. Now the question, what blows my mind is our leadership doubting the ability to manage our own mining companies? Are they afraid to put their resources into mining? Are they afraid to fail? That is why they are giving it to others, so that when the trouble comes they blame them, or someone is waiting from somewhere for some commission. Because you know that normally when people bring this kind of deals between government and other companies, the person who brokered the deal gets some no kofio. Is that the reason why they insist on bringing foreign companies when we can look within and then empower people and mine and get the full proceeds? In the words of Charles Guillermo Etienne, he says, if you want something done right, you do it yourself. If you really care about this country, its people and its resources, why do you really think that this is a smart move? And this is a question that I leave to our listeners to ascertain for themselves. And this has been the breakdown. My name is Stanley. Let's continue with David Akwete. Thank you.